What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to get automated support and resistance charts on TradingView. So what you're going to do is make your way over to TradingView. Oh, damn, why does that keep popping up? Alright, well that was it, but I'm going to show you how to get it and I'm going to explain it to you. So you want to go to indicators and strategies. It's at the top, second one in, and then you go to public library. You're going to want to type in Lux. Alright, and then you're going to want to go to support and resistance levels and breaks. Third one from the bottom. Click that, and it'll show you the relative support lines on the 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart, and so on and so forth. And we can see that the resistance is red and support is blue. And resistance, all that means is if it's going to cross this line, it will obviously just get rejected from this line. And then support, we're looking for bounces, or if it breaks support, we're looking to go lower. Just like here, broke support, went lower, touched resistance. So basically, if you're trading Forex, what you want to do, you're not going to see this line prior, or this line, or this line, or this line. But if you're up here, something like this, you get a breakthrough, you're going to look for a sell, right? But you're trading pips, so it's very short. And then it shoots up. You get the red line, breaks. If it starts going lower than the red line, you look for a sell, take profit because the blue line's here. Get back in. So this line would have been here. You take the sell, and you go, and you would have been able to actually hold this all the way to here to take profit. And this is an automated version on how to understand support and resistance, and you don't know how to chart it yourself. Well, this is how you get it automated. And I hope this video helped you. I made a quick tutorial on it. If you need any more information about support and resistance or anything, leave it in the comments below and I'll try to get to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. It's been Wild Goat FX. I'll see you later. Peace.